my channel. In today's video, I am participating in the last challenge with Heidi Samble. It has been so fun doing these every week. But this week, her co-host is Lindsay from Dahmer Home, and we are challenged to spruce up a living space for fall. So that's what we're gonna do, which is my most favorite time of year and my most favorite season to decorate for. However, I think this year I'm going a little bit different than I typically do, but I can't wait to share it with you. So if you're interested, just keep watching. And if you love home decor and DIYs and things like that, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button, and let's just get going. Rundown really fast of where I got everything. Some of it is new and some of it is not, but I will link whatever I can in the description box below if you want to check it out. So I have this black lantern I got at Target from the Hearth and Hand collection. This is also from Target, the stump, and then the pumpkins inside are from Hobby Lobby, and I can't remember where this basket's from. I almost want to say the Target dollar spot, but I'm not 100% sure. But I know that Michael sells them. And the greenery is also from Hobby Lobby. And then this bench is like my favorite thing ever. You've seen it a million times. But this is from Target. And it's just perfect. It's like the perfect wood tone. I absolutely love it. And then all the pillows and the blanket are new this year from Joanns. And I've seen them recently there, so if you love this, you might want to run and go grab it. They were 60% off last week. I'm not sure what they are this week. The black hooks are all from Hobby Lobby. This darling acorn banner is old, but I got it from Target. I don't know, lots of years ago, I feel like. This is also from Target. You guys, I love Target. These are from Hobby Lobby. You can get them every year, but I got them a few years ago. And then this is also from Hobby Lobby, but it was in their spring selection, and I always have it on that wall, but I just wanted to do something different over here. This year I'm going for light and more neutral decor, so I figured this looked really nice over here, so that's it. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to check out Heidi and Lindsay's channels. They'll be linked in the description box. And subscribe to them. And I will catch you guys next week for more fall decor, because we are going full force this weekend. So I will talk to you guys later. Have a good night.